Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install AnyDesk on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for AnyDesk, and the first link which will appear here will be from anydesk.com. So we are going to click on this link, and then you will be able to see this AnyDesk web page, and here you can select the languages. So I'm going to select English here, and then you can see this download button at the top. So I'm going to click on this download button, and then once again I'm going to click on the download button here, which is going to just scroll down, and you have various different ways of installing AnyDesk on different various Linux operating systems. I'm going to click on this option which says use DEB repository. You can also download the .deb file by clicking on this Debian /Ubuntu /mint 64-bit file. So in here, I'm going to just click on this option, which says Debian /Ubuntu mint 64-bit, which is going to start the download of this .deb file, which is around 6.7 megabyte. Now, once this file is downloaded, I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and here you can see this .deb file. So I can right click on this .deb file and then click on this first option which says open with App Center, which is going to open the App Center, and it's going to open AnyDesk in App Center. Here you can see the install button. So I'm going to click on this install button and then click on install once again, and then give my Ubuntu's password, which I use to log into my Ubuntu operating system, and then press on the authenticate button here, which is going to start the process of installation of AnyDesk. Here I just need to wait for a few seconds until this AnyDesk app is installed. And once AnyDesk app is installed, you can see this here, which is installed here. And once you see installed message on this button, you can go to your apps section by clicking on this show apps icon, and then you will be able to see this AnyDesk icon here. You can also search for AnyDesk here at the top, and then click on the AnyDesk icon. And first of all, you will see the welcome message. So AnyDesk has been launched on your Ubuntu operating system. You can see, so you can see now this AnyDesk app has been launched on my Ubuntu operating system. And then when I click on this new session tab here, I can use this interface to connect to a remote machine, or I can give my address, and the other person will be able to connect to my machine. So this is how you can install AnyDesk on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.